About 20 years ago, I'd say early 2000s, I started getting really interested in expert systems. These are early artificial intelligence systems that we all thought were going to revolutionize technology. They were what we called back then rules-based programming. We were going to encode knowledge in business rules, in a program. The problem with that is there's only so much knowledge you can encode in rules, and the performance tracks off dramatically. But with that, I actually implemented a trading system based on this technology, which was very successful. It was my first real foray into artificial intelligence. And the appreciation of what it can do for problems at the time were very intractable. Everybody thought it would fail. This was not something they ever expected to be successful. It wound up being highly successful. It was a radical different approach to solving a problem that my predecessors had failed miserably at. Fast forward 20 years today, and when people ask me about generative AI and AI, the one thing I tend to start the conversation off with is ChatGPT has been the best marketing tool for analytics that I've ever seen. I have been working in analytics for over 15 years. I have had countless discussions with executives and business owners about analytics and data. And more often than not, I get a blank stare. Like, what are you talking about? Why do I care about this? I know my business better than any number or any analytics will ever tell me. Now, I've been through the internet revolution. I've been through cell phones. I've been through countless technical revolutions. They all take time to mature and grow and get it, before they become part of a tool that the business actually uses. I have never seen something move so fast as I have seen generative AI and AI. Gen AI, analytics, all these tools are going to alter the business landscape in ways that have yet been foreseen. I firmly believe it's going to dramatically change many industries, and it's going to turn it on its head. Yes, we are in our infancy. We are at the very beginning of a long journey that will probably last decades. But the technology today, as it stands today, is incredibly powerful. It is going to change your world. And I am not one to get up and talk like that normally. I'm not one for hyperbole. I take generally a cautious route with a lot of this stuff, but having been through so many cycles and have seen so much change in my career and seen the cycle get smaller and smaller and quicker, year after year after year, I have not seen anything gain the acceptance of so many people so fast. And again, speak to so many C-level folks utterly freaked out by what they're being confronted with. You have the opportunity to shape that and take it to the next level. You are the beginning of this generation. You are going to ride these changes up, and this is a decade-long process. Companies are not ready for this. They are far behind. They don't understand the value of the data that they're sitting on. They don't have it managed properly. They don't have it in one slot. They don't know how to use it. They don't know what they're confronted with. Big companies and small companies. Many big companies are in similar situations. They don't know what they're confronted with. This is a fascinating journey for all of us to take. I am unbelievably optimistic. Contrary to what you see in the paper every single day, and I think bad news or people like to pontificate about bad things that are going to happen, or aliens will take over the world. We're not there. We'll never get there. If the past is any guide, this is only going to make our lives better in many ways. Will there be struggles? Will there be risks? Yes. But don't be afraid to use it. This is powerful, powerful technology.